Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in my dining room decorating my hutch for fall. So here's my hutch. I've cleared everything off. I did add a few things into the cabinet part. I kept my banner that I made on my last video, and of course I have some everyday decor on the top that I've already put up here. And what I like to do is put some everyday decor in here and just add a few fall touches. So let's go ahead and get started with my everyday decor. I'm going to start over here on the right side on this first shelf. I'm going to add my plate that I like to use here. I'm also going to add one of my candy dishes over here to the left. And I have this really cute pumpkin teapot. I'm also going to add a couple of my little silver bells. Now let's go ahead and move up to the next shelf. I'm going to add this fall sign that I got from Hobby Lobby a few years back. Then I'm just going to add my little coffee cup with some old silver spoons in it. Now we're going to head up to the next shelf. I'm going to use another one of my candy dishes here, and then I'm also going to use my other coffee cup with the silver spoons. That's all I'm putting on this shelf. Let's go over to the shelf that's above the cabinet. And the first thing I'm adding is my coffee pot that I like to use here. I have another one of my candy dishes here to the right, and then I'm going to add my creamer and sugar dish here. Let's go ahead and pan down to the cabinet here. Got it open, so this is what's in here, and I'm just going to be adding some fall touches here pretty soon. But first we got to put some stuff down at the bottom of the hutch here. So the first thing I'm going to add is the Farm Fresh pumpkin sign that I made on my last video. Going to add a soup tureen over here to the left, and I'm also going to add another one of my candy dishes. Over to the right we're going to add another soup tureen. And I also have a really small soup tureen that I got at Goodwill many years ago, but it didn't have a lid. Let's go ahead and get those fall touches going. So the first thing I've added is this bunch of fall leaves, and I have a fall pick over here. We get a close-up over here. We're going to start decorating in this area. The first thing I'm going to add is a pumpkin into the candy dish. Then I'm going to add some more fall leaves down below, and I'll be adding a fall pick here. Then I need to add a little white pumpkin. Got to get some white in here. Let's move over to the sign, and let's continue decorating over here. I've added some orange berries here by the pumpkin, and I added a little white pumpkin too. All right, over to the right, I added a little bit of berries and yellow leaves. I have a white pumpkin here. I'm also adding an orange pumpkin, and I'm going to add some orange pip berries too. Now I'm going to add some leaves over here in between the tureens, and I'm going to add a few more fall picks and a pumpkin. Okay, so that's it for the bottom. Let's go to the next shelf. We're going to add some fall leaves by the candy dish. I'm also going to add a pumpkin with some white pip berries. Let's make a little arrangement here in the teapot. I'm going to start out with some orange berries and some leaves, and then I have a fall pick that I'm going to set in here. I also have a little bit of some red berries I'm going to set over here to the left, and then I want to add a pop of white with a small pumpkin. I need something in the back. It's a little bare. Let's add some leaves. There we go. There's a cute little arrangement. So here is this shelf. Let's move up to the next shelf. Just a little bit of fall touches is going to happen here next to the fall sign. Got a fall pick here, and then I'm going to add a pumpkin. All right, that's it for this shelf. Up above, you can see I added a pumpkin and pip berries over here on the candy dish, and some fall leaves and a white pumpkin. I'm going to move over to this side, and you can see I added some more fall touches here. Let's go ahead and go up top. And here's how I decorated up top. So let's go ahead and check the whole hutch out here. I'm going to pan down. See how it's looking. And you know what? I forgot to do inside the cabinet. So let me grab a few things, and we're going to add some fall into that cabinet. All right, this is all I did. I just have a few fall leaves, a pumpkin, and a few berries. And here's how it looks with it shut. All right, let's check out the hutch now. See how it's looking. I think this looks really cute, but you know what? I'm not liking that banner anymore. Let's remove the banner and see how it looks. That is so much better. I like the banner, but I just didn't like it on here. I think this is perfect without the banner. Let's kind of pan up here and look at it again. Yes, definitely much better. All right, let's see everything up close. I'm going to take the camera off the tripod and get some close-ups here. All right, my sweet friends, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. And make sure you come back tomorrow because it is my home tour. You don't want to miss it. I'm going to be doing a fall home tour collaboration with my good friends Antoinette, Marlene, Melanie, and Anna Lee. And you don't want to miss all their beautiful homes. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye for now.